Hi, my name's Jack Steele with Barletta Boat Company, and today I'm going to teach you how to pull your pontoon boat into the lift. First things first, when pulling your boat to a lift, you want to make sure your bimini is down and you and your passengers have everything inside the boat. And then you want to make sure that your pontoon boat is centered with the lift, and I like to look down the starboard side and line my tune up with the right leg of the lift, and then you slowly go in and out of gear between neutral and forward and reverse if you have to, and do this as slowly as possible until you are underneath the lift. So once you feel like you are centered underneath your lift, you want to make sure your boat is in neutral, and then you want to switch off your engine before you lift it out of the water, because if you lift it out of the water while your engine is running, it can cause a lot of problems such as potential overheating and other engine issues. And check to make sure you're centered with the lift on the bow and stern. Looks good to go. So then you can go ahead, raise your boat out of the water just a little bit. Once your boat is out of the water a little bit, you can allow your passengers to get out and get all their gear off. Then after that, fully raise up your boat out of the water.